So you've decided to come to Slovakia and you're in Bratislava and you need to know how to get around the city by bus, trolley, or tram, and you need to know how to buy the bus tickets. Well, there's two popular ways to get the bus tickets. You can either buy them through your phone and through an app, which I've already done a video on, which you can click on here if you want to watch that. But this video is going to talk about specifically how to buy the physical bus tickets, like the little paper tickets. And there are actually a couple of ways of getting those. The more popular way, I would think, for foreigners is to get them from the public transport, like the ticket machines. Now you'll see these ticket machines all around the city. You can also buy these bus tickets from ticket sales points, which are basically these booths that are also around the city, and there's a person working inside of them and they sell things like the bus tickets, magazines, cigarettes, things like that. But those I wouldn't recommend as much for foreigners because obviously you have to speak Slovak, you have to speak the language to be able to talk with the person. So that's why I find it easiest to either use the app to buy bus tickets or to use the bus ticket machine. So there are also two general models of these bus ticket machines, older models and newer models. Now, both of them accept coins in the form of cash, but the newer ones can also accept contactless payment, typically like Visa card or something similar to that. But the older models, you will have to use Euro coins to get a bus ticket out of them. Now let's go buy a bus ticket using one of these machines so that you know what to do when you actually use one. Alright, and I had to walk around a little bit to find kind of a quiet place for these bus ticket machines because they're usually in very noisy places, but let's go ahead and take a look at the machine. So as you can tell, this is an older one because there's nothing here. If this was a newer one, you could pay with your card here, but let's take a look at this. So here you see a red button and a green button. Now when the green button is solid green, you can put in, your coins and it's going to give you your change. When it's red, that means you can't use it. But what this here is saying is that when the green light is flashing, then that means it's still working, but you need to give the exact amount. So you can see the prices here. So it's like 90 cents for a basic 30-minute ticket. So that's the one that I'm going to get. Something to know about these machines while I gather my coins is they accept all coins down to 5-cent coins. So there's like a 2-cent and a 1-cent coin in euros, so it doesn't accept those. And also first is you want to press the button for which ticket you want. So for example, I'm going to get this first one. So that's good for all zones in Bratislava for 30 minutes. So I'm going to put in 50 cents and then 20 and 20. So now that it has the coins, it's going to start chewing. It's going to make some sound. And there's your printed ticket that it just spat out for us. And this is what the Bratislava public transport ticket looks like. It works for buses, trolleys, and trams. And how you want to redeem it is just you take this side with the arrow and then you just insert it into one of the ticket punchers in a bus. When you get into one, you'll see one. So that's gonna wrap up the video. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video useful, if you're gonna be coming to Bratislava or somewhere else in Slovakia and you wanted to use the buses and the physical ticket. So anyways, thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more videos about me and my stay here in Slovakia. Peace.